Hello everyone. I hope you are learning from our videos. Like we have been working on cloud and the topics that we have been covering. So in today's video, we are deep diving into Oracle Integration Cloud, often called OIC, Oracle Integration Cloud. It's Oracle's modern, low-code, cloud-native integration platform designed to simplify application integrations. So with that, let's jump right in. But first, please like, subscribe, share the channel. Subscribe to our newsletter as well, either in arinatechnologies.com or cloudmessite.com. And with that, let's jump right first. This is where you will come here, Oracle Cloud. Choose here, which is the developer services. And here you will find, let me create an instance of integration. So first click this button, create instance, and I'll just give YouTube demo. And over here you see you have these different options, which I was kind of showing. Metered is universal credit. And as you can see, it's there. Usage metrics are different for Oracle integration versus Oracle integration for SaaS. And the edition you can choose is standard. For most people, you're fine with using standard because it contains the features and adapters. For enterprise, you can choose enterprise and healthcare. This is very specific for healthcare. You could go with this one. So I'll choose enterprise. And over here, I'll do is I'll just choose development. I don't need production over here for this purpose. And if you have any Infusion middleware license, you can bring it in. Or you could just subscribe to a new integration license. What is the message pack that you want? And if I go to message pack, it allows you to set the number of message packs you want based on your version. And if I click on the advanced options, you could kind of have the identity set up here. The compartment I can choose. This is where I'm setting it up at the root level. And ideally, you don't want to have it at the root level. You want to have sub-compartments, ideally based on the environment or application. Now this is where you could kind of restrict the network access. You could only allow certain IPs to access it. For now, I don't need to show. And likewise you can enable DR over here. This is because I have this region in Ashburn. The failover is going to be in US West, which is the Phoenix region over here. Tagging, of course, with any cloud, as we have been saying many times, always do enable tagging. So let me create this. Okay, so let me just disable DR and then let's see, because DR is not supported. Now this will take a few minutes, so let me pause the video and resume once the instance is created. Okay, so now the project is created. This is where you see its YouTube project is created. And I can come here and I could see these different options that are there. You'll see you have integration option. You could connect applications, the connections you could do. And I've just delete this one for now, just to show you. I'll set it up again. Lookups that you could do, the JavaScript functions, publish and subscribe. And once you design it, you could deploy it out here. You could create a deployment, and also you could monitor it out here. So a lot of tools available in one platform. And if I have to go back, this is where you see there is the design option. You will be able to have the integrations out here as well. You could create the different design options. I've created one timer. This is how you could come, click on create. And this is the schedule. This is what I had created for schedule. But you could have an application to start running an application when it receives the event. And schedule as well, what I just created. It'll run at a scheduled interval. An event starts running when an event is published. So I won't get into the detail of each one, but drop in a comment if you want to get into see a specific demo or something, and I could always get into, but just wanted to keep this video short and show you the overview of Oracle Integration Cloud. And this is where you see the connection. I could always come here and create a connection. This is where you see I could come from here, or I could go back, select project, and this is where you see I could do this, and I could add a connection out here and choose S3. This is where I'll just put test S3, and you could give this name here and create. You see I just created this test. Now you need to configure the connection. This is with AWS. Obviously we're sitting in Oracle Cloud. But just give this information out here, and I'll put the access key and secret key. And again, just type in the region that you want to have and click save. You'll get this. It says save successfully. Click test, and this is where you will see the connection was successful. So what this means is the Oracle integration for the connection to S3 is working. So you could use this connection to be able to pull the data or push the data to Amazon S3 bucket. And like, this is where you could hit save and move on to the go back. I don't need to save this anyways. I'll be deleting this one. And now you could check out here. You have the robot option, which is for UiPath. Not for UiPath, it's for robotic process automation, something that UiPath also provides. You could have a lot of options out here. See, it's all out of the box. And if I have to go to any other cloud, I would have to have another license to be procured, something like a UiPath or other ones. But in OCI, this is in all out of the box and native integration. It's a pay-as-you-go service. And if you see, there's healthcare as well, something I had shown earlier. And this is for B2B, something again where some applications or some customers still use ADI to integrate. You could have the B2B setup over here for Oracle Integration Cloud. Like if I click add, you could create or enter details. I won't go into specific because I don't have a 529 or any of those purchase orders that you would require for a B2B. But this is where we used to procure like a third-party product. But now it's all out of the box in Oracle. So something very, very powerful for you to consider and recommend to your app clients over here. And this is why for observability as well. If you see, you have a dashboard, you could come in here and you could see the different setup out here. In terms of the connections with the errors, it'll show up over here. If there are any errors, I don't have any errors because it is working properly. It will show out here. Integrations you will see are here. Subscriptions as well, it will show here. So, a lot of powerful feature, and I hope this video was able to provide you an overview about OIC, Oracle integration, and how exactly you could go about using it in your customers, and how that I believe is a big differentiator compared to the Oracle, the other clouds over there. So with this comes to the end of the video. Please drop in a comment of any other detail that you would like to see, and I'll make it as part of the subsequent video. And as usual, please like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. Thank you.